Hey, what's going on, everybody? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach, coming at you with the best money-making videos on the internet. So let me just get straight into this, because today I want to share with you something very special, and I want to cut all the crap, and I just want you to get straight to the point, and I want to help put money in your pocket, because I know when I was out there about a year ago today, searching around online for legitimate money-making opportunities, I wanted to know what was legit, right? There's so many different scammy things out there, and I completely understand, because I spent the past 15 years trying all kinds of different crazy businesses to make money. Not all of them were making money online, but all kinds of different, business opportunities that, barely put any money in my pocket. I was chasing around my friends and family, trying to sell them all kinds of different crazy products, lotions and potions, if you will. And it just sucked, right? I always hated, going and trying to sell, my friends and family, right? Because if you get involved in different MLMs and stuff like that, that's the first thing they say is go to your friends and family and, try to sell them, whatever it is that you're trying to sell. And I just hated that. And so does all your friends and family, because they feel obligated to help you, but they don't really want what you have to sell. And I knew that there was ways to use the power of the internet to create an online business. I saw how big the internet was. I saw what Amazon was doing. I saw how all of these different big businesses were putting storefronts online. And by the way, if you are going to have even a brick and mortar business, you have to have an online presence if you want to survive in the future. If you don't believe me, just take a walk through your mall or any place where there's a lot of businesses. A lot of them are closing up shop because they can't compete with these big online retailers. So I knew that the best way to start a business was to do it online. And I knew a little bit about affiliate marketing because I had tried it 15 years ago, and I just didn't know what to do to actually find success. And so I knew that I wanted to do affiliate marketing. I knew it worked. I just knew that I had to find legitimate information from experts that knew exactly what they were doing. Now, the reason that I was seeking expert advice is because I knew that that was the fastest path forward. Think about it for just a second, right? If you were gonna go to the gym and you wanted the best results in the fastest amount of time, what would you do, right? You would hire a personal trainer, someone to teach you exactly what you need to be doing to get the best results possible. They would tell you exactly what you need to be eating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Probably give you the exact blueprint, a meal plan, if you will, of what you should be eating. And then when you get to the gym, they would be there telling you exactly what weights that you need to be lifting, how many repetitions that you should be doing, and they would be coaching you and motivating you. And this is exactly what you need to do if you want to succeed online and you want to grow an online business and scale it through the roof and create a life of freedom for yourself. Now, if you're tired of searching around on the internet for what is legit and how you can make money online, I'm gonna stop you right now, because I've already done all the work for you. And I know this is true because, you guys, I did this exactly a year ago today, and it's worked. It works 100%. And today you can get started literally 100% risk-free. It will cost you a little bit of money up front. We're talking about $7, you guys, what it costs practically to go get lunch, or even less than that. But if this doesn't work out for you, you can get that $7 back, because there's a 100% money back guarantee in the first 30 days if you don't like what you're experiencing, right? So this is how this works, you guys. You're gonna click the link below directly beneath this video in my #1 recommendation, and it's a 15-day business builder challenge. And literally, you will be up and running in the next 15 days with your own business if you so desire, right? I have a whole team of experts waiting to help you get started and build your own online business so that you can create a life of freedom for yourself, for your family, passive income, you guys, working from anywhere in the world. If that sounds appealing to you and you want to get started and get there the fastest, way possible, then this is how you get started. It works. I guarantee it. Check it out. I will see you on the next video. Peace.